Okay, once again, I'm testing the V103E screen and touch screen, and when I touch it, it does not come on. Hold it for a few seconds, and normally it would come on, but it doesn't. I noticed that it does this if I don't use the device for 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes if I don't use it for 12 hours. It does not turn on. Now the device is connected to a power strip under my desk. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And it goes all the way down, up, and it's plugged into the wall. And so what I'm going to do is my computer is plugged into the same power strip. And my speaker, see that light right there, it's on. It's plugged into the power strip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it and plug it back in again, and it will beep and turn back on. But I just want to show you guys that once it falls asleep after about 12, 15 hours, I go to touch it and it won't wake up from sleep mode. Comatose. All right, so here we go. See, my computer just went off. Computer light. This is, of course, not on. And once I plug it back in, you hear the noise. And now it's back up. And now when I hit it, it'll work. But again, turn this on. But again, it's my computer turning on. But again, after about 12, 15 hours, sometimes I'll do it 24 to 48 hours. If I don't touch this and turn it on, it'll go to sleep and it won't wake up. And I also notice sometimes, even when I haven't touched it in a while, it would turn on. But I won't hear anything beep. I would just happen to notice. I'll pull back from my desk and I'll look, and it'll be lit up. And it'll stay up for about 10 minutes, and then it'll go back to sleep mode. So I don't know if it's like something in programming logic. I check my wires. They're all connected tight. But this is the third unit since I purchased it. The first one, it did the same thing. You guys sent me a second one, it did the same thing. And now this is the third one. And it just, once it goes to sleep, after about 48 hours, when I first got it, it worked fine. 48 hours, it was fine. Then about 3 or 4 days of using it, once it goes to sleep, it wouldn't wake up again until I unplugged it. So just want to let you guys know, and so you guys can let me know. Thank you.